What's Assam without paddy fields, right? Here you get to see the humblest way of Assamese living, the incomparable beauty of the paddy fields yet to be ripe. In a month's time, these paddy fields will be golden in hue and will smell like sweet rice. This was a dish I made out of ginger leaves, small fish and potatoes. We Assamese cook our dishes in minimal spices and in minimal oil. So normally our dishes are very healthy in nature. A gentle giant carrying his master. Assam is beautiful in its own way. We're just humble beings living the most simplest lives ever.